So this is something that I find interesting. Just purely browsing LoopNet, I've been showing you guys all these properties that are going for insane prices regardless of the complete seeming crash of the New York real estate market, and in particular all of the retail vacancies. This is a listing that was created on the 10th of September, so recent, and the rental rate is $41.66 a square foot. Now, many of you probably saw a lot of the places I visited last year where they wanted 90, 100, 120. This year I visited several where they wanted anywhere from $200 to $300 a square foot for many of these locations in Manhattan. And here, again, am I saying this is the best deal there is? No, but I'm saying that this is literally the cheapest retail I have seen in Manhattan in the entire time I've been looking. Now, granted, again, you're right near the water. There could be flooding. This is, the floor here looks like it needs a little bit of Eugene Harrington. Actually, it looks like Eugene Wedd built a
Does that
deck.
look like a deck?
That looks like a deck.
Eugene was here.
Yeah, Eugene was here. But the thing that interests me the most is just pointing this out there that it is actually starting to crack. You are starting to see the cracks. What is it you said? You said you think that none of the landlords want to be the first one to, like, everybody's trying to prop it up, and like once one of them goes, all of them are going to start to kind of fall down.
Slowly but surely. If that's how it works, you'll have people be like, frick, I'm getting desperate, so they'll lower the price. And then you got the person who's at like, they want to have it like the 100% price that they originally wanted to list it at. They're going to say, shh, okay, maybe lower it a little bit more. And then it still doesn't sell. And then they're like, And then this guy originally has to drop his price, and then he's like, I gotta.
Yeah, I think that's what's starting to happen here, and I've seen 2 or 3 listings like this already, where they are in the 40s. This is absolutely unheard of. I have never heard of anything, even 10 years ago, with the other store that I rented. That stuff was listed in the 69 square foot range, and that was 10 years ago. That was the best deal I could find. This is a sign.
I think it can go down to 35.
I think that there's a lot more for this to go down, and this is gonna this reset, I really believe, is gonna benefit everyone, because this means that there's gonna be more to the city than chasing Starbucks.
Hold up a second. I'm gonna stop you right there. It's not gonna benefit Karen. Karen's not gonna be happy. What?
She'll have, instead of 72 gyms, she'll be able to have 300 because it's so much cheaper to rent. It's better for everybody all around. All right, let me know what you think.